Want to translate WhatsApp messages instantly without leaving the app? In this video, I'll show you how to translate any message in seconds. If someone sends you a message in another language, don't worry. You can now translate it directly inside WhatsApp. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Update the app. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button, tap it. This feature is new, so updating is very important. Step 2. Open Chat. Now open WhatsApp. Go to any chat where you have a message in another language. For example, here's a message in Spanish. Step 3. Translate message. Press and hold the message. At the bottom, tap on More, then tap on Translate. Now choose the language, for example, from Spanish to English, and boom, the message is instantly translated. Keep in mind you need to translate messages one by one. There's no option to translate the whole chat at once. You can also use apps like Google Translate if needed. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.